All right, good morning, AB Calculus class. Guess what? It's my birthday, March 26th. You can look it up, it's National Purple Day. I can't make these things up, and I'm 40. And you are still young. Wonderful. All right, we're doing 3 problems today, and the first one is AB 2005, question number 1. I would start by plugging this in y1 and y2 in your calculator, and not assuming where things intersect. If you haven't tried the problems yet, stop it here. Try the problems. Try A, B, and C. See how you do, and then come back and look if you're having trouble. Okay, you can always grade it online as well. After graphing the two, I found they intersected at x equals 0.1782 and x equals 1. You want to get that done, taken care of in the very beginning. All right, let's go ahead and look at the questions. Question number 1. So, oh, by the way, ridiculously easy problem, okay? And it's not on your AP test anymore. They said none of this stuff. But we're still going over it because I'm trying to teach you everything. All right, find the area of region R. So here's region R. Area of any region is just integral, so this is part A. So integral from 0 to that 0.17-ish number. And then it's top equation minus bottom equation. So the top equation is the 4 to the negative x, and the bottom equation, if you follow it along, is the 1/4 plus sine pi x. But I'm going to make life easier for myself. They've already called this g of x. So my top equation is g of x minus, and then my bottom equation over here is f of x. Don't forget the dx at the end. And now we're simply typing it in the calculator. Except I already have the answer on the board. It's about 0.64. I think I wrote something down wrong. 0.064. Give me 4 decimals. I only gave 3 because I'm just copying the answers. I didn't feel like typing it in my calculator. All right. Part B. Now I want the area of region S. It's just from what to what, so from that 0.17-ish number to 1. So integral 0.1782 to 1. And then top equation minus bottom. So simply f of x minus g of x. And again, you could type it into your calculator. If I used hotkeys, y1 minus y2, super easy. And I'm going to look up the answer so I don't have to type it out myself. 0.410. Give me another decimal. That's all the decimals I have here, though. And then part C. They say we're going to revolve this around the horizontal line y equals -1. Now, since we're revolving around y equals -1, we're going to have all this empty space as this rotates around. We're rotating region S, and this empty space is going to create a washer. So I have pi outer radius squared minus inner radius squared dx from the 0.17-ish number to 1. Now we need to know what the outer and inner radiuses are going to be. So here we can draw. The further one away is the outer radius. And the closer one is the inner radius. I'll just draw over here. So this is the outer radius. It's top equation minus bottom. My top equation, I could write all that out or just put f of x minus, and then my bottom equation is -1. So it's top equation f of x minus -1, which I'm just going to turn into a +1. You could, of course, have minus -1. And then my inner radius, top equation minus bottom. This is my inner radius. How long is it? Top minus bottom. G of x minus -1. Or simply g of x minus a -1 becomes a +1. And then I type it into my calculator and get an answer, and it's 4.558-ish. Give me 4 decimals, but that's good enough for now. And that's the first question we're looking at today. So hope that went well for you, and I'll see you in a bit.